Are you a food lover or a seafood lover for that? Ever heard the name Barda or Scott's Cove before? Well, come along with us. Yeah man, you stop what you're doing and travel with us. We're going to Barda, also known as Scott's Cove. And no, we're just driving past. We are driving past Scott's Cove. We'll stop another time and give you the full tour. Okay, come on. The popular Scott's Cove food and rest stop, also known as Barda, located between the neighbouring parishes of St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland, is a haven for fish and bammy lovers alike. Barda has been transformed into a major seafood kingdom which has been attracting a lion's share of local and overseas visitors. This little fishing community has developed a food plaza where fresh or cooked seafood is prepared, then sold to motorists through the window of a car or vehicle. Locals pull up, pick their prepared fish, and have it wrapped up for transport, then speed away. About 4 kilometers southeast of Whitehouse on the A2, as you sweep around this little deep inlet, you will find Barda. Everyone with taste buds in Western Jamaica and many other parts of Jamaica will tell you that this is the best place on the island to buy fried snapper, conch soup, and bammy. And for those of you who don't know, bammy is a fried or steamed pancake that is made from cassava. Oh, cassava. Alright, you're going to have to go and research that on the internet. I can't help you. Yeah. You can stop and tour the kitchens and meet the cooks. Hang out for a while, and if you wish to enjoy your fish right there on the beach, a table can be set for you. So that's it for Barda. Many persons have never been on the south coast of Jamaica. So if you're adventurous and you have the time on your hands, try it out. You will enjoy it. Trust us on that. It is untapped, beautiful, and welcoming. Yes, the south coast. Follow us and enjoy Jamaica. Funtil Beach is located in St. Elizabeth on the south coast of Jamaica, between Black River and Whitehouse. It is within a nature reserve on the Funtil property owned by the Petroleum Company of Jamaica. It is an attractive, well-kept beach with clean golden sand and safe swimming in a roped-off area. Beyond the rope, there's a shallow reef. Funtil Beach is very popular on weekends and holidays, but is usually quiet during the weekdays. The facilities include lifeguards, a grass area with picnic tables under gazebos, bar, showers, changing rooms and toilets, lockers, etc., etc., etc. Entry to the beach is controlled by a guard and cost of entry is reasonable. There is also a group rate that offers discounts. It is open between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day of the week. This beach is not just beautiful, it's special in that it's one of the few quiet beaches in Jamaica. While Funtil Beach may be a little further away, it provides a rare chance to escape crowds of tourists. Unfortunately, Funtil Beach Park has been closed to the public from 2013 with no opening day in sight. So there you have it, some more interesting facts about places in Jamaica that you may not have known about, and we encourage you to visit whenever you have the chance to do so. Until next time, see you.